Ka Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA Tribunal kelabuk sngi ha ka kendai trik uyayong banwan bansyong bishar biang ya ka mukot duma bala mudui da kaseng Hinyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC kabala airing persya ya ka rajong sorkar pedeng ban penjelan ya ka jingken bean persya ya kaseng nakabentasan snam Unong asad an ke HNLC ubak Fernando Shangpliang haba pentip ya kani hakmat ka tribunal ulaong baka jingshim bishar Halor kani kapang kanlong biang ha ka kendai tri uyayong ha Guwahati Assam ha ka jingshim bishar po artrik leber ngala persyang ban IT ya ka syukos ka jonga Henry kat kum gi kendon an ka tribunal kan amsya namar bala bo ya kapor ha ka katlai trik rempang arjar arpesan ban IT ya ka jubab ne jing persya ha ka bayade baka jing penjelan ya ka jingken bean bat ba ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela kiladat pan IT ya ki affidavit jongki ulaong Ngiha banya syakman kumtaru ha ka tayo ka banwan na kalang sorkar India bat ka sorkar jela kinsa IT Shanghai ki kot kisla ki bayade baka jing pensisya ka jongki ringkat bat ki affidavit bat halor kani ha ka kendai trik yayong ngan sakmi benia bha ya ki bala IT da ka sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jela benrap ubak Shangpliang
Today this is my first appearance before the tribunal. After I have appeared in the tribunal, the result is that from the tribunal I have made a submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. Obviously, from the organization, they have the ideology to regarding this ban should be lifted. That's why they have appointed me as their counsel. So to appear on behalf before the tribunal.
So has the tribunal given you some time or time frame or anything?
See, I have made my submission before the tribunal, before the court of Sumitra Sakya, the learned justice of the Guwahati High Court. I have made my submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. But as per the procedure of the tribunal, they were not allowed because the rule of the procedure, if the time has been fixed on the 13th of February 2025 to submit my reply or objection regarding the intention of to lift the ban HNLC for to make the HNLC as one of the organizations that it should not be banned for a period of 5 years. That is my argument on behalf of the tribunal. But just as I make earlier that the rule of tribunal not allowed. So my next point from the today only from the tribunal, they make clearly that from the state, from the union government, they have already submitted their affidavit. They have already filed the affidavit, and from the state, they represented by for the tribunal to be set is on the 9th of April at Guwahati. The place of venue will be allowed, will be scheduled later, and they will inform to us that what is the next date or where is the venue to be conducted regarding this matter. Today I just enter appearance, but from my point of view, from my legal point of view, I try to submit my show cause. But as I stated you earlier that as per the rule of the tribunal, they were not allowed. So we have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross-examination. So on by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross-examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government. Based on that, on the 9th of April 2025, I have to cross all the witness in this instant case.